going to make science experiment.
With? What do you think?
My friends.
No, with what? What are we gonna use?
Salt, glass bottle, ice, also.
It's cold. Again. What's that? Show me. Let me see. Let me see. Whoa.
You guys already learned about solid, the three states, okay? Solid, liquid, gas. Yes? Not yet? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. How about you? Not yet? Yes?
Yes.
So, what is this? Is this solid, liquid,
Yes.
or gas? What do you think? What do you think?
Liquid.
What do you think if this is?
Out of liquid.
Wait, one by one.
Liquid.
You think this is liquid? How about you? Do you think this is solid, liquid, or gas?
Liquid.
Liquid. Okay, actually, this is solid. You know why?
Liquid.
Huh? It's like, not yet. It's not yet liquid. Look, it's like a rock. It's solid. Okay, you get what? Each one. One each. Okay. Each of you have your own plates. Here.
I don't have.
Okay. Okay. So, you have this solid, diba? Solid. This is solid. Okay. So that's why.
Are your hands clean?
Yeah. Is your hand clean?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. So, what? Diba solid? It's like a rock. So, when it's hot, what happens to the ice?
Melts.
And becomes?
It's like liquid.
It becomes?
Liquid.
Liquid. It becomes the water. It becomes water. Like
It's
this.
melting.
Yeah, it's melting. Okay? Okay, one. Look at the coin. Look at the coin.
I need one.
Hey, focus. Look at the coin. Look at the coin. What happened?
I don't see it.
No, Johnny. Okay, let's do something else. Last one. Look at what happens now. I'll explain to you guys what happens. Last one na yan, ha? Okay.
It won't just dip, it won't do. Yeah, I eat the dip.
No,
Because you guys ate it, eh.
No.
Don't eat it, yuck!
look at the
Your ice is melting and did not stick pa.
Don't move it yet. Don't move it yet. Let it
Achi,
stick.
don't move it. Aya.
Yeah, shut. Achi, that's dirty. Okay, anyway, that's it. You know why that happens? You know why that happens? Because the salt slows down the freezing process of the ice.
It's
So it melts it.
Really
Hey, listen, kids. Listen. Okay. Look at what happened. Nothing. Look what happened. It melted in the middle, and it was trying to freeze again. No, that's why the rope got stuck in there, inside. Oh. Okay. It's just hot.
Like, share, subscribe.